Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about Instagram application, and I would like to show you the way how you can repost someone else's Instagram story into your own. So if you want to repost someone else's Instagram story, make sure that those account already tagged you into the Instagram story that I have. So whenever someone tag you, so you just need to open the home section and just go click the direct message option, and then whenever someone mention you, there will be information about the mention you in their story. Just go click it to open it, and then you just need to open the story that you have and go click add to your story, and then you just need to adjusting the size. Either you want to do this instead or maximize the size here. So whenever you're done, you just need to go click add to your story and you're done. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy a lot this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.